Before we get into this video, I'd like to say, hey guys, welcome back to Nature Channel. I'll be doing some more nature stuff sometime in the future. But for now, I'll be talking a little different. So, let's get started. We, the kids, have a voice, but we don't use it. See, grown-ups, don't get me wrong, parents, we love them. They provide for us, blah, blah. But we love them, but we don't have a say in a lot of things. Like, that's for opinions, we have to go to school. We're forced to. We don't get the option to not go to school, okay? Come on, school is just boring and kind of useless. Some subjects we can use, yes. Others we can't. You know, in the test, it's like, it's not that fair. It's like, we get judged. We get judged on how good we do and how bad we do. And then if we do, sometimes when we do bad, so for other kids, maybe your parents, put you in timeout or spank you or something like that. But it's not fair that we have to be judged like that, And I just never make this video. We get failed in school, like we get hold back a year. That shouldn't matter. We should just go up in the years and, don't not fail, okay? Don't get me wrong. It's not that good, okay? I don't know. But, we should not be, judged like that. It's not fair. In college, we don't we do, but we shouldn't need it. But, because, you get, okay, let's get but, we don't have our voice, we're not out there enough. We should show our voice more. We should be, kind of grown-ups, but not at the same time. We should be able to vote. Let's be honest, a lot of kids have opinions on who should be president. But no, we don't get asked, who do you want to be president? To be honest, I wanted Hillary Clinton. Did not like Donald Trump, and I still don't. But that's for another time. But we the kids do not use our voice. We need to use our voice, and we should be treated like adults, normal people. Not just, citizens, I guess, who doesn't have any rights, I guess. We should be able, if we want to, be able to get a job. That's a way for us to make money. We should be able to get a job if we want to. We should be treated like grown-ups, like citizens of the United States of America, or wherever you guys are. This is just not right. We don't use our voice. We need to use our voice. We need to use it and let people know that we have a voice and opinions. That's what we need to do as the kids. Show them that we have a voice. We're not just some kids you can, but you kids that just have to go places and do exactly what you say. We should be able to do what we want, We have opinions on presidents and stuff like that. Trust me, a lot of people at my old school, at Apollo, a lot of them wanted certain presidents for a reason. Not just because they sound the best. They actually had a solid reason. Such as, I believe Donald Trump is going to get us blown up. I'm sorry, but he has a mouth. But I honestly wanted to vote for Hillary Clinton. Don't get me wrong, people can have their own opinions. That doesn't really matter to me. But it's just not right that we don't get our choice to vote or do anything. We're stuck at school for most of our time. We don't get paid. Nope. We just sit there and be bored out of our mind most of the time. Some kids might not, but either way, we have a voice and we need to use it. Start using your voice. So maybe we can change the world for kids, future kids or so. We need to make us a citizen and have rights. That's what we need to do as kids. So let's get on it. I'm making this video to let other kids, and even grown-ups, know that we have a voice. We would like to show it. Let's show it, kids. Let's show them we have a voice. So I don't know, whatever, but yeah. Show them that we have a voice. And we're not just dumb little kids. Let's show them that we're actually pretty smart. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time.